If you're planning to buy the Samsung S26 Ultra or upgrade from the Samsung S25 Ultra, this one's for you. I'd go through a full comparison between the Samsung S26 Ultra and Samsung S25 Ultra. So watch the full video to get the complete review. So what do you think? Did Samsung finally deliver the Ultra we wanted? Or is this another looks new but feels the same upgrade? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with all the latest tech news.